And so the purpose of exploring aspects of self is to allow for the body-mind miracles to navigate the unconditional love and pure magic of the authentic self-essence, and to explore and understand our inner realities and personal experience and sense of self, to shift and transform anything that needs it, and from that space then to improve and expand the quality of our personal experience through our sense of self and navigation of reality. Through the process of exploring aspects of self, through those 5 elements of neuroscience and 5 elements of consciousness, and the 5 ways of understanding the organization of navigational networks and trillions of body-mind pathways, incorporating those 15 concepts into one unified modality, which is the trifecta treasure trove that I share, which includes the liberated consciousness diagram, expanded spirit diagram, and other amazing expressions and modalities that are used within and beyond those treasure mappings particulars. Through the trifecta treasure trove, we explore the integration of all 15 of those concepts. And from that space, we have new opportunities to nourish the attachment needs that are bridging all of it. Attachment needs are bridging all of those 5 components of neuroscience, the 5 components of consciousness, and also those 5 elements that allow us to understand body-mind wiring and structures of navigational patterns. So 5 elements of neuroscience: attachment development and attachment needs, left-right brain hemispheres, forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain through the triune brain, activity of the nervous system in relation with social engagement, especially stemming from the polyvagal theory, and navigational patterns in neural networks, especially patterns of feeling and movement in unconscious memories. And through these 5 elements of neuroscience, we have new opportunities to understand and explore parts of self, which allows us to understand and explore aspects of our personal experience and inner realities, shift and transform anything that needs it, and to improve and expand beyond anything we've previously known. We can also explore aspects of self through 5 other components that allow us to understand the organization of navigational networks in the body-mind. And this references a concept I've developed called the ideological quintet of body-mind navigation. And it's basically 5 elements that allow us to understand the purpose and organization of all the navigational networks in the brain and the body, how the information and messages exist and connects to support the navigation of our sense of self, inner realities, and personal experience. And that's through explicit and implicit pieces of information, data from each year of life, data in relation with different navigational roles and priorities, data in relation with self-associations, and data in relation with the abstract associations of all experiential elements. And so the ideological quintet of body-mind navigation opens some really fun doors to explore parts of self to fulfill our intentions. And so 5 components of consciousness that we explore. 1, who is consciousness? What is consciousness? And differentiating the self from brain-body wiring through an exploration of consciousness. The second are characteristics of consciousness, and this includes masculine and feminine energies, energetic characteristics, strengths, and attributes of each of the chakra centers, the different elements, earth, fire, air, water, and specific attributes like love, joy, peace, creativity, expansion. The third component of consciousness is the navigation of infinite energy through infinite awareness. And then we look at that abstract thing in a little more specificity through the navigation of perceiving, receiving, sustaining, and emitting energy within personal experience. 4th is soul identity, and 5th is inner and outer realities bridged through mind, body, and spirit. So 15 key elements here we're exploring. And all of them depend on the well-being of attachment needs, the way that you navigate your own sense of self, personal experience, and inner realities depends on how the body-mind experiences being tenderly held, abundantly taken care of, having space for playful fun, creative expression, feeling seen and loved and treasured and celebrated and appreciated, with a sense of belonging, with a sense of connection and support and collaboration and community and safety and security and protection and provision and sustenance and stability, feeling respected and embraced and recognized and honored, with a sense of importance and directional guidance and allowance and opportunistic space and purpose. And based on how experiences allow us to encounter the well-being of those attachment needs, all of those 15 elements come to play within our sense of self, navigation of inner realities, and the details of our personal experience.